Hi guys, so today I'm making a video on Ann Disalvo. I came to know about her from her Yelp page, Intuitive Healing Institute LLC, and that's her website. So I just wanted to tell you about her. And with Christopher M. Brainerd, this guy is Christopher M. Brainerd. He's a licensed attorney. His license number is 1994444. That's his LinkedIn profile. So along with him, she filed, it was a big mistake to take a session with her, very, very big mistake. She, after taking the session with her, she filed two restraining orders with this guy as a co-petitioner, Christopher M. Brainerd, who stole my social security number, who fraudulently recorded liens on my property, you know. And right now he's in OCTC diversion program, and CRU, which is a part of the state bar, is investigating him right now. So just be very, very careful. So with him, she filed two restraining orders. This is the first one. Brainerd, he sent it to me without the case number, so I'm not able to appear. And he can take a default restraining order against me, which he did the same thing with the Diana Wallach. So you can see, and he has a habit of not sending papers. That's how he actually take default against people. And then this is another restraining order. In both the restraining order, in this one, this was the first one, which was no, sorry, this was the second one which was filed. Yeah, and then in this, he has mentioned that I called him and said that he will not survive a bullet. And first he sent me this restraining order without the case number. When I asked him for the case number, he just made like a phony case number. So you can go and check these case numbers. You know, the first one, Disalvo and Brainerd, did not serve me. The second one, they served me by email. But the court didn't do anything regarding this. The court took their side, no discipline, no sanctions, nothing. Okay. And these restraining orders were denied because there was nothing to restrain. So both of these restraining orders were denied. These are the case number, you can check. And this is the second case number, you can check. You can go on the LA website, Los Angeles website, and you can check that how they misuse their law license, and she being old and this age, how they misuse it. She was crying at the hearing like a crocodile, so that the judge can show empathy, but the judge shouted on her because she was lying. She was saying that her website is closed, but the judge told her that she can go on the website right now and she can book the sessions. And see what she did after that. First, I took session with her. She filed two restraining orders against me. And then she passed this racial comment against me. You can read. Mr. Gupta, sorry, where is this? I just put it here. Yeah. So here. With him coming up with him being a blood pressure patient, not being able to go downtown, perhaps it's because he's not legal. Maybe he's afraid of ICE. He has to go to India. So she's racist as well, guys. This lady, Ann Disalvo, she's racist. She's saying I'm Indian and I'm illegal and I should go back to India. What a disgrace. What a disgrace. You know, in India, we respect a woman like this, and she's saying again. So, with him coming up with him being a blood pressure patient, not being able to go downtown, perhaps it's because he's not legal. Maybe he's afraid of ICE. He has to go to India. Wow. Wow. So, guys, just be careful. I'm giving you warning in advance about this lady, Ann Disalvo. You see, it's right here. You know, that's where I actually found her on Yelp. And, that's her website. So just be very, very careful. I booked the session with her, and this is what I got in response. With this guy who lies and, fabricates the documents. He filed 2 restraining order, one without the case number so that I don't appear and he can take a default. And he has done with this with other people. And he has been reported to the California bar. He's in OCTC diversion program right now. But he still has the license. His restraining orders were denied. And what I got after getting a session from her was 2 restraining orders and then this comment, this racist comment that that with him coming up with this blood pressure patient not being able to go downtown, perhaps it's because he's not legal. Maybe he's afraid of ICE. He has to go to India. Look like so much anguish, so much anger. What kind of a therapist she is? These comments she's making. So she doesn't want Indians to go to her place? Like, come on. Guys, I'm just letting you know what happened with me so it doesn't happen with you. Be very, very careful. Okay? You don't want any restraining orders against you. These 2 people, Ann Disalvo and Christopher M. Brainerd, are there to ruin your life. Be very, very careful, and they have ruined my life completely. I was able to defend myself because I have gone to school. I appeared, and their case was thrown out of the courtroom on their face. But be very, very careful from them. They are not good people, and they can ruin your life. Thank you, guys.